Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, this is the unboxing SoundPEATS Q35 HD Neckband Bluetooth headphones. These SoundPEATS Q35 HD Neckband headphones are waterproof, rated IXP8. This is high-level waterproof to help protect the headphones from the damage of rain and sweat. There is built-in with latest Qualcomm 3034 chipset and Bluetooth 5.0. Adopted Qualcomm aptX HD codec, along with the 10mm driver. Q35 HD Bluetooth headphone tries to bring you high-fidelity sound with strong bass and crisp highs and mids. The magnetic earbuds design allows your earphones to attach to each other for easy carrying when not in use. With magnets inside, the charging slot is more elegant and can provide better waterproof performance. These headphones are upgraded polymer lithium battery and low-consumption chip provide up to 14 hours playtime with single charge to fulfill your needs of weekly workout. A full charge only takes less than 2 hours. Tips: when charging with a charging adapter, please do not use quick charger. Comes with a bunch of soft silicone ear tips and fins which provide perfect wearing experience. Also prevent headphones from falling out during sports. I have tried them. They are comfortable, they sound good, and the battery has a long life. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.